Hi, Avion.
Hi.
What are you going to do?
On my skateboard.
You're going to ride your skateboard? You're going to ride it down the hill? Yeah?
Yeah, cool.
Oh. Can you say hi on the camera?
Hi.
And what's your name?
Avion.
Look at the camera. Don't pick your nose. Your name's Avion? How old are you? Are you 2 or are you 3?
My 3.
Yeah, you just turned 3 years old, huh? Can you show me how you ride your skateboard down the hill?
Right there.
Okay, go show me.
How you doing?
I'm recording him riding the skateboard. Now go all the way up.
Mom.
All the way up. To the top. It's okay.
There's one more pack left. This is the last one. I could get some.
Yeah.
Because you said please. That's all. No more. Yeah. One more down.
Oh, you didn't go down the hill. Go back up. You gotta go all the way down. Not into the grass.
Hi.
Yeah.
I love the purple ones.
Carlos, watch out so he can ride the skateboard down. Okay, go.
Oh, it's too sour. They're not sour. Sour. I gave you like 7.
Whoa.